Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Polymarket, where political event predictions take center stage. But that's not all. There are also predictions about cryptocurrency prices. We'll analyze some forecasts and check their validity through technical analysis. Be sure to watch this video till the end, for there you will find the answer on whether Polymarket prediction standings could be useful in trading. If you find this content interesting, don't forget to hit that like button. So, let's kick things off with the burning question that has been on every crypto investor's mind since the April halving. When will Bitcoin hit a new all-time high? Recently, this topic has gained traction as BTC surged above $68,000. On Polymarket, there are several bets regarding Bitcoin's price. Let's take a look at the current predictions for mid-October 2024. The first question is, what price will Bitcoin reach in October? The options are quite telling. A whopping 76% of people believe it will hit $70,000. Meanwhile, only 7% think it will reach $57,500, 4% are betting on $55,000, and just 2% believe it will get to $52,500. It's clear that most people are betting on growth with little faith in a decline. What do you think about these predictions? Do you agree or disagree? Feel free to write in the comments. Now, what does the chart say? On the daily time frame, we can see that the price has broken through the upper boundary of a descending channel, which also serves as a resistance level. If the price holds above this level, we can expect further growth. Based on the daily chart, it seems reasonable to agree with the majority. $70,000 appears to be a more realistic target. Currently, Bitcoin is priced at approximately $68,350. To reach $70,000, it needs to climb $1,650, which is about 2.3%. On the other hand, to hit $57,500, it would need to drop $10,850, or around 15.87%. The math clearly shows that $70,000 is the closest target. Additionally, the 14-week ATR is currently $6,531. This means that even to reach $57,500, Bitcoin would need to overcome more than 1.5 ATR, and there are only 2 weeks left. Conversely, to reach $70,000, it only needs to cover 1/3 of the ATR. There are also two intriguing bets regarding whether Bitcoin will break $100,000 and $250,000 in 2024. The public on Polymarket has little faith in either outcome. Only 18% believe it will hit $100,000, and a mere 2% think it will reach $250,000. With just 10.5 weeks left, can it happen? Predicting future prices with pinpoint accuracy is impossible. However, we can estimate potential price levels using Fibonacci retracement. If we consider the entire historical range of Bitcoin as one wave, the next should relate to the current price by a Fibonacci ratio. The most likely ratio here is 1.618, which gives us a price of $119,397. Even using the 2.618 ratio, we arrive at $193,189. It's important to note that these are maximum estimates, and the actual calculations will likely differ. Nonetheless, it's clear that reaching $250,000 is highly unlikely within the limited time frame of 10.5 weeks, while $100,000 seems much more achievable, something that 9 times more people on Polymarket believe in. Next, let's turn our attention to the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Ethereum. The first bets to analyze are whether ETH will reach its all-time high in 2024 and hit $10,000. Only 15% believe it will reach its all-time high, and a mere 3% think it will hit $10,000. With just 10.5 weeks left, is it realistic? Theoretically, yes. Practically, no. The all-time high is 83.26% of the current price, while the $10,000 mark exceeds the all-time high by more than double, requiring a 276% increase from the current price. The monthly ATR has recently been around $670. Even multiplying that by 3 won't get us to the all-time high, let alone $10,000. This figure seems more like a bait to generate interest rather than a realistic target. Now, let's look at the bets for what price ETH will reach in October 2024. The predictions show that 24% believe it will hit $3,000, while a significant 75% think it will reach $2,750. Only 14% are betting on $2,250, and just 3% believe it will get to $2,000. What option would you choose in this bet? Share your thoughts on that in the comments. In the last 2.5 months, ETH has been trading in a wide range between $2,100 and $2,800. These two levels are strong support and resistance. Therefore, it seems less likely to see prices outside this range. The $3,000 target is indeed more probable since it requires just a $400 increase from the current price, while reaching $2,000 would mean a drop of $600. The most obvious choice among these predictions is $2,750. This figure lies comfortably within the established trading range of $2,100 to $2,800, and it's only about $150 away from the current price, making it a realistic target. Interestingly, there's also a bet on which price ETH will reach first, $2,000 or $4,000. Currently, 55% of people are betting on $2,000, while 45% believe it will hit $4,000 first. This makes sense. But if ETH manages to break through the $2,800 barrier, then $4,000 could quickly become the new favorite target from a technical analysis perspective. Additionally, there's a fascinating bet regarding which cryptocurrency will reach its all-time high first, Ethereum or Solana. A slight majority, 54%, believe that Solana, often referred to as the Ethereum killer, will surpass its older counterpart. But what do the numbers say? As of October 2024, Solana is trading at just 35.74% of its all-time high, while Ethereum is at 83%. Moreover, if we look at the monthly chart for Solana, we can see a clear 5-wave pattern forming, with only 4 waves completed so far. While this pattern may contain some inaccuracies, if we follow this trend, we can expect a 5th wave that will exceed the previous all-time high. However, it's worth noting that a correction could occur before this happens. In conclusion, most of the bets on Polymarket align well with reality. Almost all the odds correspond to the results of technical analysis, indicating that people are being cautious with their money and relying on mathematics and common sense. Of course, there are also some unlikely events listed on Polymarket, likely put there for entertainment purposes. Of course, rule number 1 remains: do your own research, and do not leave it for public wisdom aggregated by Polymarket. My verdict: it is a nice tool to compare the notes of your own research with, but no more than that. So if you enjoyed this analysis and want to stay updated on the latest cryptocurrency trends, make sure to like this video and drop your thoughts in the comments below.